बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अस परान प्रूफ इन फेवर ऑफ DNA एज जेनेटिक मटीरियल। रब सद फजल करम ये नतीजस पे कि एवरी एंड हिज कोलीग्स वनान युस हसा हीट किलर्ड एस टाइप बैक्टीरिया इमनी मज ट्रांसफार्मिंग प्रिंसिपल that transforms R type bacteria into S type bacteria, or we can say that changes these avirulent forms of bacteria into virulent forms. And further proof in favor of DNA as genetic material was provided by another experiment that's called as transduction experiment. That very experiment was conducted by Hershey and Chase in 1952. That's what's also called as Hershey and Chase experiment or transduction experiment. Transduction means it is the transfer of genetic material from one bacterium to another bacterium through the agency of bacterial viruses, which we call them as bacteriophages. Before इस परो ट्रांसडक्शन एक्सपेरिमेंट थोड़ा वन बह बैक्टीरियोफाज मुतलिक। बैक्टीरियोफाज क्या गो? बैक्टीरियोफाज अमिक स्ट्रक्चर क्या आसान, अमिक मॉर्फोलॉजी क्या आसान, how this bacteriophage or bacterial virus it completes its life cycle in the host cell. Because this virus आसान अथ छन पन कहीं ति cellular machinery आसान, that's why तवच life cycle in case of viruses it completes its life cycle in the host using host's machinery. तो थोड़ा बहुत वनो ट्रांसडक्शन एक्सपेरिमेंट मुतलिकन पत वातो बैक्टीरियोफाज पत वरो एक्सपेरिमेंट रिगार्डिंग Hershey and Chase. The unequivocal proof in favor of DNA as genetic material came from the experiment of Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase in 1952. क्या वनान? These two workers conducted experiment on viruses that infect bacterial cells, that infect bacteria called bacteriophages. Bacteriophages गई तम viruses यम bacteria अटैक करान तो यमो पन लाइफ साइकिल कंप्लीट करान। एंड यमो दो साइंटिस्टों कर अकिस बैक्टीरियास पे काम, they experiment with a virus that is T2 bacteriophage. Bacteriophage वारिया किस्म कह T odd कह T even. And in this case you have T even, that is T2 bacteriophage that infects bacterium, that is E. coli, Escherichia coli, and both inhabiting the human intestine, both live in the intestine of human beings. हम ब्रोट कि अस करो डिस्कस अबाउट ट्रांसडक्शन। अस वनो गोड बैक्टीरियोफेज क्या गो, बैक्टीरियोफेजिक स्ट्रक्चर क्या आसान। Viruses which attack bacteria are called bacteriophages. And in outline, T2 bacteriophage is just like a sporum or tadpole having hexagonal head. The body can be divided into head and tail. The hexagonal head is having a central core of DNA. That means this bacteriophage is made up of two components. The upper part is called head or capsid, which is having a inner core of DNA, and outside you have a protein code in the form of capsid. The central tail is hollow and is entirely made up of proteins. At the end of this at the end of this tail, there are six long thread-like structures, call them as tail fibers or caudal fibers. These fibers help the virus while attaching to bacteria. This is a structure of bacteriophage. You can see it. It is a head portion that is made up of two parts. Inside you have a DNA core, which is made up of double-stranded DNA, and outside the DNA you have a protein code in the form of capsid made up of protein subunits called as capsomers. And at the base of the head you have a collar or neck, and then you have a long contractile sheet, and at the base you have these tail fibers which are attached with the basal plate. These tail fibers are made for attachment with bacterial cell, and its base plate چھُ اَمہِ سۭتۍ چھُ یہِ bacterial cell پٮ۪ٹھ attach گژھان bacterial cell پٮ۪ٹھ بیٚہوان پتہٕ چھُ with the help of tail fibers یہِ پَنُن پان attach تھاوان بنٛد تھاوان with bacterial cell. And چوٗنٛکہِ اَسہِ چھِ پتہٕے virus چھِ آسان they are obligate parasites. They can attack only specific host. یعنی یِمن چھُ پَنُن پَنُن host آسان, and یُس یہِ T2 bacteriophage چھُ اَتھ چھُ پَنُن host E. coli bacteria. And how this bacteriophage looks like when we cut its vertical section. And LS section ژَٹان چھِ bacteriophages, اَتھ چھُ منٛزٕ باغن cut تراوان, یا we can say when we see it with through transmission electron microscope, it consists of DNA. Then you are outer the DNA you have a protein coat or protein sheath. Then you have a neck and collar and the contractile sheet, and inside the contractile sheet you have a hollow core. اَتھ چھُ خٲلی أنٛدرٕ آسان hollow core چھُ آسان اَتھ, and at the end you have a end plate or basal plate, and these are tail fibers. And you can see different parts of this bacteriophage. پٮ۪ٹھٕ کَنۍ چھُ آسان head or capsid, then you have tail, contractile sheet, tail fibers, basal plate. بۄنہٕ کَنۍ چھُ ہٲیِتھ it's a bacteriophage. ییٚمہِ ساتہٕ یہِ bacterial cell پٮ۪ٹھ attach چھُ گژھان, پتہٕ چھُ یہِ پَنُن infection bacterial cell منٛز enter کران. اَمہِ ساتہٕ چھُ یہِ contractile sheet contract کران, so that یُس أنٛدرٕ core چھُ آسان it comes out in the form of needle of a syringe, and so that here یُس head چھُ آسان یہِ چھُ پٔتۍ کِنۍ press کران, یہِ چھُ پٔتۍ کِنۍ pressure دِوان, so that اَمیُک یُس أنٛدرٕ infection چھُ آسان that runs down through this hollow tube and then enter into the bacterial cell for completing its life cycle, for infection or for reproduction. You can see it is a E. coli cell It's the equal surface of equal cell having large number of T2 bacteriophage on its surface, and some bacteriophage they laid their infection inside the bacterial cell, and some remains as empty ghosts outside the bacterial cell. You can see the diagram. And question, important question क्या है? How this bacteriophage, T2 bacteriophage completes its life cycle inside the bacterial cell. Bacteriophage, that is T2 bacteriophage, completes its life cycle in 5 phases. It is 5 phases mazan 5 step mazan for the sake of simplicity 5 phases maz pan life cycle complete karan. First phase is you have attachment. Got pan attach karan with bacterial cell with the help of these tail fibers. I'm pat penetration karan. The tail fibers asan they produce number of enzymes like lysozymes that cause the breakage of bacterial cell wall. Bacterial cell walls were zad break and with the help of this contractile sheet is contract gasan this inside infection that enters into bacterial cell. And in this case, yedin chuanan infection kya is zan khatra experiment karn bont kanes tamay andrim part that enters into bacterial cell. And third is latent period. Under can use infection under चाव that very infection, so infection क्या so inshallah bont kunat that very infection, or we can say that very substance, it enters into bacterial cell and is in the form of a red fragment phage DNA. One step bacterial cell at attached bacteriophage, and this bacteriophage much dramut phage DNA that enters into bacterial cell. I'm penetration go you phase, and third latent period. You go period under asne pattern bacteriophage DNA under asne pattern mature gasnas tam under ak process chalawan at period latent period. बज़ाहिर बासान नबर किन बैक्टीरियल सेल बिल्कुल सेफ एंड साउंड बासान मगर अंदर कन ज़्यादा खराबी गमज क्या खराबी द बैक्टीरियोफाज DNA it produce number of enzymes that cause the breakage of bacterial DNA into number of fragments. That very enzyme is called as endonucleases. Endonuclease gay tim enzymes that breaks DNA at various places at various sites. Which DNA is variant gen satan and makes them non-functional. Yani ishu bacterial DNA varia at cut karan varia fragment banawan. Mochi question gasan raise pan DNA is kya emis fragmentation gasan. Pan DNA क्या अमिस फ्रेगमेंटन मज गसान डिवाइड वजह यह कि इस बैक्टीरियोफाज DNA अत मज बेस दैट्स कॉल्ड हेट्रॉक्सीमिथाइल साइटोसिन HMC इंस्टेड ऑफ साइटोसिन. चूँकि अगर तुम थोड़ा बहुत पता DNA मज 4 बेसिस एडनिन गानिन थाइमिन साइटोसिन but in case of fast DNA we have a hydroxymethyl cytosine instead of cytosine, and due to presence of hydroxymethyl cytosine its DNA become resistant to this endonuclease action. यानी सु DNA यथ मिथाइलेशन गमस यथ मिथाइल ग्रुप सत हेकान यह एंडोन्यूक्लियस कट कर कहें. दैट्स वाई अम सुन DNA सेफ रोजान. एंड बैक्टीरियल DNA विच लेक्स दिस हाइड्रोक्सीमिथाइल साइटोसिन एंड हैव नॉर्मल साइटोसिन, दैट्स वाई इट इज broken down into number of fragments. And but at the same time इस बैक्टीरियोफाज DNA यह पन्निस DNA रेप्लिकेशन करान एट द कास्ट ऑफ बैक्टीरियल DNA यानी अम सज बेस यूज करान बनावान पन नई कापीज ऑफ DNA इत पे कापी बनावान ये लिखित रेप्लिकेटेड बैक्टीरियोफाज क्रोमोसोम्स और रेप्लिकेटेड बैक्टीरियोफाज DNA एंड चूंकि बैक्टीरिया मज राइबोसोम्स बैक्टीरियल सेल मज यह राइबोसोम यूटिलाइज करान यह अमिच मशीनरी यूटिलाइज करान सो एज टू फार्म इट्स प्रोटीन्स इन द फार्म ऑफ बनावान हेड प्रोटीन बनावान टेल प्रोटीन बनावान we call them as these cardial proteins or cardial fibers या tail fibers यम सारी आसान प्रोटीन यूत यम प्रोटीन हेवान बनत कत बैक्टीरियल सेल देन पत पन DNA इनसाइड आसान बनावान मैच्योर बैक्टीरियोफाज एंड दैट वेरी पीरियड इज कॉल्ड मैचुरेशन लेटेंट पीरियड मतलब गो रेप्लिकेशन गसान एज वेल एज ये प्रोटीन कोट बनान अम पे सारी प्रोटीन कोट्स नबर कन टेल रलान अत टेल फाइबर रलान अत इनसाइड रोजान DNA एंड दैट बिकम्स मैच्योर फाज एंड यु मैच्योर गई अंदर बनी वारिया फाज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द रेप्लिकेशन कत रेप्लिकेशन अंदर गमच कत्या नई नई बैक्टीरियोफाज बने एंड व्हेन cell is filled with all the bacteriophages this cell bursts due to production of number of lysozymes यह burst गसान यह फटान तो अम ज़्यादा बैक्टीरियोफाज नेरान and these bacteriophages are now ready for second infection इत पे पन लाइफ साइकिल कंप्लीट करान that means यह बैक्टीरियोफाज बैक्टीरियोफाज पन कहीं मशीनरी it utilize host machinery that is E. coli cell अमे मशीनरी यूज करान so as to form its own bacteriophages तो अत क्या वास्तु अत क्या रिलेशन with our experiment that is bacteriophage experiment or you can say transduction experiment परो इंशाल्लाह ब्रोट कुनत आज गई इसी हन इंशाल्लाह दिव इजाज़त बियो खुदा सवाल अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।